What's up, YouTube? Happy Friday the 13th. If you ain't having a blessed day so far, it's on its way, so just be there. Got this yesterday. So, my sponsors, they hooked me up. So, I'm thankful for them. Let me know what y'all thankful for. And, sure, let's go and see what they got me. So first off, they hooked me up with the beard comb. It came with the leather pouch. That's legit, you know what I'm saying? And that new beard oil, I ain't gonna check it out now. I'm gonna show y'all how it is later in a future video. So be prepared. But it's time to go to work. So let me show y'all how I do my morning routine and put on my beard balm. So let's get it. So yeah, this is where I stash all my goodies. Gotta go ahead and add this one to the mix. But yeah, about to put that boy on real quick. So yeah, like right before I leave, I always start off with my beard balm. Still smell good to me. I've been using it, keeping it real. And I just take like one of my fingers. And I grab a decent amount. You know what I'm saying? That's going to work for me today. After you do it a few times, you kind of know how much you need to get all around. And then sometimes I might just need a little bit extra more because, I got that thick beard. I'm actually starting to comb it down now so it don't look as wide and start training it downwards. Use this boy today. That's what I used to use, but gotta stay branded, so try this out. Now you do it, just comb it. So that way the balm can get all in the beard. I actually like this. Then you just comb and shape up till you're ready to go. And it's time to go make that money.